Do you like it sweet with a little bit of spice? Then this apple butter might be your perfect match. Hi, and welcome to Occasional Fish. Unlike traditional butter, this one gives off all the cozy fall vibes and is easy to make. So grab your slow cooker and let's get to it. To start, we'll core and slice 2.5 pounds of apples or 1.1 kilograms. Add the apples to your slow cooker. Now add in 3 1/4 cup brown sugar or 150 grams, a 1/4 cup of water or 60 milliliters, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now let the slow cooker magic happen. Cook on low for 10 hours, stirring occasionally until the apples are soft and dark. And as a bonus, your kitchen will now smell like a cinnamon-scented orchard. Once it's ready, transfer the apples to a separate bowl and puree with an immersion blender or with a regular one if your immersion blender decides to betray you like mine did. It broke the moment I grabbed it out of the cabinet, which was quite unfortunate. But now's the perfect time to comment, I don't claim this energy. Whichever tool you use, make sure the apple butter is smooth and spreadable, perfect for those chilly mornings when all you want is a warm biscuit and something sweet. Let it cool completely before storing. I sealed mine in 2 glass bowls, about 2 cups each. I'm not on the canning level yet, so mine's going straight into the fridge. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.